Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. We're going to make this one quick and simple today. What you're looking at is a 2019 Chevrolet Express 3500, and it is powered by the very popular 6.0-liter V8 Vortec gas engine with 100,000 miles on the odometer. Back here in the rear, we have an aluminum constructed cargo box by Supreme. It measures 15 feet deep. You have a loading ramp, a step bumper, LED lighting, and D-ring tie-downs. Keep in mind, we take cash payments and we have very competitive financing. If financing is the way you're looking to go, just down here below is our digital credit application. It will not ding your credit. It's a soft pull, so feel free to fill that thing out and send it back to us, and we'll go to work for you. We also offer extended nationwide warranty coverage that will take you out for another 3 years or 90,000 miles with coast-to-coast delivery. So anything you need, just let us know. And besides this Chevy, we have others in stock just like it with less miles, more miles, lower or higher price. Or if you're looking for something a little different, be sure to check out our website where we have a huge inventory of all sorts of box trucks available for you. The video is going to keep going, but that wraps it up for me. Don't forget, my name's Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.